How to fix bad quality on Instagram story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix bad quality on Instagram story on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings, go to Play Store or App Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just type your Instagram and then make sure there is no update here. And now let's go back, go to Instagram, go to your settings here, and then go to accounts and scroll down until you find cellular data use. Now make sure data saver is disabled, and then upload at the highest quality, enable it. And if you want to enable data saver, just click high resolution and make sure it's on Wi-Fi only or cellular and Wi-Fi. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.